Hello kids! Good morning! Magandang araw! I'm here again, your teacher Effigy, to continue with our lesson for today. And today is May 27, and we are now in our lesson number 40. Okay, so our lesson for today is about letter I, blending with I, consonant and vowel with I. And we have blending with I. Okay? So, kids, please follow me as we go with our learning so it will be easy for you to memorize our sound of the letters. Okay. So, let's start. Letter I, sound E. Sad face. E. E. Okay, ready? Get set. Go. B. B. E. B. B. E. B. B as in big. Okay, next. Letter C, sound K. But when letter C is with letter I, letter C will borrow the sound of letter S. And it will become C. C as in circus. Circus. Okay. Next, we go to your letter D. D. E. D. D as in dig. Dig a hole. Next, letter F. E. Fee. Fee. Fish. Letter G. G. E. G. Gift. Letter H. E. He. He as in hill. Next, letter J. J. E. G. G as in Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay. Next, letter K. K. E. Key. Key as in king. Next, letter L. Oh. E. Li. Li as in lips. Letter M. E. Me. Me as in milk. Letter N. E. Ni. Ni as in nips. Next, letter P. P. E. P. P as in pig. Letter R. E. Ri. Ri as in ring. Next, letter S. E. C. C as in sing. Next, letter T. T. E. T. T as in TikTok. Okay, next, letter V. 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 E. V. V as in Vilma. Next, letter W. W. E. W as in wings. As in wig. Letter X. E. Z. Z. And then letter Y, sound E. They have the same sound. Letter Y sound E. Letter I sound E. But they have different pictures. Okay, so, but when put them together, it will become ye. Ye. Okay. And letter Z sound Z. Letter I sound E. Put them together, Z. Zigzag. Z. Okay. So, those are your blending with I. So, let's read our wall. Ready? Get set, go. Ready? B, C, D, F, G. He, G, Ki, Li, Mi. Ni, Pi, Qui, Ri, Si. T, V, We, Z, Yi, Z. Okay, very good. So, That's all for our learning for today. I hope you enjoyed our learning and our lesson. Please share and subscribe to our channel, kids, and hope you always be a good child and always have the interest to keep on following to our lesson. Okay? So, kids, be blessed and be a blessing in your family. Have a great day. See you again tomorrow. Bye.